Hey everybody, it's Brad at Dayport Brothers LLC out in Versailles, Ohio. Going to do another walk around video followed by an operational video on this 2017 Kubota SVL95-2S that came in and we're putting up for sale. Like always, I'll walk around, talk about the features and functions. I'll get up close to everything, show you everything I see, tell you everything I know. Then of course we'll start it up, kind of run it through its paces, let you hear the engine, show you the play up in the front pins, show you that the hydraulics are strong. As always, if you are in the market for a used skid steer, a used piece of construction equipment, or a used piece of farm equipment, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. Your likes and subscriptions help other people who are looking for machines find our videos and find our machines, and we truly do appreciate it. All right, like I said, this is a 2017 Kubota SVL95-2S, cab heat air, pilot controls, 2-speed, hydraulic coupler. It's got new tracks and new sprockets, 3,200 pound lift capacity, 3,400 hours on the dot. Cranked it up a little bit ago, ran it around. Hydraulics are strong. There is play up here in both the lower pins and the skid steer plate pins. We'll show you that here in a little bit. Some of the orange and some of the gray has had some repaint. I'll kind of get up close to it and show you that. This front section here has been painted at some point. I think it's been a little while ago because there are some scratches and stuff in it, but you can tell it's kind of brighter here than back here. Fairly straight though. Couple little scratches here and there, nothing out of the ordinary. New tracks, like I said. New sprockets. I do think down here on the side rail has been painted at some point as well. This back corner back here has been painted, as you can see. If I get up close, I don't know how well you can see that. Definitely has been painted. Coming around back here, the back door. I'll get up close here, but there's some dents in this back door here. Dings, those fins are bent a little bit there. A couple of scratches, nothing out of the ordinary there. That top shield's in pretty good shape. Coming around to this side, same thing. I think this back here's the original paint. Now down here on the gray has been painted. I don't know how well you can see that, but decals are good. I'm sure they put new decals after they painted. Again, loader arms are pretty straight. I don't see any cracks or welds or plating in any of those. Again, new tracks, new sprockets. Nice 78-inch HD bucket. Go take a look inside the engine compartment back here. Fins are pretty straight on that radiator there. It's kind of hard to get in here really far with this camera setup, but pretty dry in here. I don't see any oil or diesel running down the side of the block anywhere. That oil cooler there looks pretty good. The fins are pretty straight on it. Back side of the back door, inside of the back door. Up here, some paint chipped off, nothing out of the ordinary. That step's crinkled in a little bit. All the glass seems good in the cab. I don't see any cracked glass anywhere. That is the actual glass door. All right, seat is got one little tear there, one right there, starting one right there and there. Back cushion's pretty good. Floor mat's pretty darn good. Controls. I do know when I was running around earlier, I turned the AC on, and these back vents back here seemed like they were blowing nice and cold, and this one up here did not. So I don't know what's going on. Those felt cold, like the AC's working, but that vent was not cold. Coupler. $3,400 hours. Everything looks good back here on these cylinders. Like I said, I don't see any cracks or welds anywhere on that plate. Alright, like I said, it's a 2017. We'll fire it up and get right into an operational video.